Welcome back, everyone. D-Man behind the camera. How are we doing today? Just came back from the doctor's, so I figured I'd show you guys and gals what I'm carrying in my pockets. What am I EDCing? First things first, my wallet. Maxpedition. I believe I bought this in maybe 2012, 13, I don't know, something like that. But I wear this thing almost every day. Just love it. I love it. It's slim, and you can fit all kinds of stuff in there. And yeah, it's just a great wallet. I personally wear this in my side pockets. No rear pockets for me with wallets. Second, my right hand side, I guess I pull out the keys. Just regular old keys. I actually have a Leatherman, what is this one? Micro in here. I don't really use this, maybe once in a while. But very nice tool, I'll tell you that much. But I don't use it every day, that's for sure. Key for the house, blah blah, some brass accessories, and that's pretty much that. Boring stuff. Let's see here. Today, since I went to the doctor's, so I decided to bring my pen. I don't like using their pens. Everyone and their mother touches them. Let me see. I guess I'll show my watch. This one here, I'll take it out, is one of those old 1980 something calculator watches from this one's from Japan. No, this one's Hong Kong. Sorry about that. Just trying to keep the theme, matching when I go out. My little pocket knife. You'll see why I carry a pocket knife, because at my main blade I don't want to use that whatsoever, other than just a showpiece basically. But this one, I don't mind using it, cutting up shit, this and that. And it's made by Camco USA. I did refurbish it or restore it. Bought it at a yard sale a while back. Just a lovely little blade. Really good shape, really good condition. Solid on the lockup. Can hear that click. Even closing. Yeah, like a dream. Beautiful. The writing, what does that say? Benedictine band. It sounds like medicine, huh? And the other side's Julius Wiley Imports. Compliments of Wally. Well, shout out to Wally for ordering this knife, and now it's in my possession. And let me see, I think that's it, other than my main blade. And this, of course, was made by me. My prototype was made in 2013. I call this the Skeletor model. The original has a Skeletor skull right into one of these holes, which is this one here. I have inner liners, which is aluminum. I have a titanium handle. This is a recycled file, as you can see. A lot of work went into this, but this thing is just a beast. You can see the size, and it's definitely a showstopper. Everyone I show this to, they just in awe.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop fucking lying.
Of course, all hand cut. As you see, that's why I carry a second blade. I will not use this one to cut up anything. I like to carry it. It reminds me of what I can do with my hands. I was about to flick it that way. I forgot that this one is thumb release. So if you'd like to see that video, me making this, you can check it out. I don't know where it is, but I actually revised it. I heat colored it. I made a few other modifications. I forgot what it was. it's fun making these. Well, definitely a lot of work, but it's not hard whatsoever. You don't need fancy machines to do any of this, as long as you're good with your hands. Your hands is what tells you the outcome of your product. That's how it works. And then your brain puts everything into action. Well, thanks for coming in, checking out this quick EDC dump. Hope you guys and gals have a great day. Cheers.